Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. As you know, my mission is to end chronic pain and guide people to a higher level of health. One way of ending chronic pain is actually I want to help people how to prevent pain or how to prevent getting hurt. This just occurred to me because a couple of days ago, one of my new patients came in and said that she was scrubbing the floor and she hurt her back. Now, I just realized I actually have a number of patients that's how they got hurt. So I thought, hey, let me tell everybody, let me give you a quick tip on how to avoid that, how to prevent that from happening, all right? Because a lot of times we think, hey, you know what? It's not gonna happen to me. I'm just scrubbing the floor. How bad can it be? How can I get hurt? And sure enough, when you squat down and you scrub the floor, you end up getting hurt already. Because this is why. This is how people would end up doing it. A lot of people will be squatting down like this and will be, let's say, they go side and be scrubbing the floor. So their butt and the back, it's rounded. So the butt is coming in. So it puts a lot of pressure on your spine. And not only that, puts a lot of pressure on your knees also. Right? And if it's not like you do this for a minute or two. Usually you'll be scrubbing the floor for like hours. And that will actually cause pain and can easily throw out your back because then the discs are more, the spine is more open and the discs more easily come out. So we can discuss that at another time, why the disc will be more likely to bulge or to protrude in that position. But at least for now, I want you to know that there is a better way to do that, all right? And what is that is, I would actually recommend for you to kneel. The problem is when we kneel, and you go like this is better. This is gonna be better for your back, okay? Because it's straighter and you have one support here, takes a lot of pressure off of the back. The problem with this one is if you're doing this for a while, it's actually gonna hurt your knees. And some people already have arthritis or have some knee issues. That's not gonna be comfortable. So we have a very simple solution. So we use knee pads, right? I know people have seen this before. This is not a new invention, but for some reason, people are not using it. So I'm just gonna, put this on. I'll strap it like this. And I'll put one on each knee. And this tip is for people who don't want to use, other gadgets that they are selling now. One of the things I tell them is, why do you have to go down on the floor to scrub it? You can use other gadgets that they're selling now on TV or even in the store. I actually use some of those to make my life easier, protect my back. But I have patients who are old school, and they said no, that doesn't clean as well as I have this the other way, and it doesn't clean as well as when they actually go down on their hands and knees. So this is for those of you who are old school, and I want to keep you safe. So when you have your knee pads like that, and what you want to do now is you can kneel. This gives you a cushion on your knees, so even if you're doing it for a little bit of time, it doesn't hurt, all right? And then now you can actually go down and scrub the floor. The back is relatively straighter. You have one support here, takes a lot of pressure off the back, and then you can actually just do what you have to do, and takes a lot of pressure off the knees. All right, so that's one simple thing, and these are very inexpensive. I think you'll be able to buy them in store or order them online, so they're pretty easy to get. So let me know what you think, and feel free to comment below. You can share this video with people you know. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video on how to end chronic pain. Stay pain-free and stay healthy. Bye.